Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup 1095 forms with HealthCare.gov, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your 1095 forms with HealthCare.gov, start by visiting the HealthCare.gov website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the tax forms section on your dashboard. Here, you will find the option to view your 1095 forms. Select the form you wish to backup for your records. After selecting the form, look for the download button, usually represented by an arrow. Click the download button to save the form to your device. Choose a secure location on your computer or external drive for the saved file. Make sure to label the file clearly for easy retrieval later. Once downloaded, open the file to verify that it has successfully downloaded. If everything appears correct, you can close the file. Now, consider backing up the file to a cloud storage service for additional security. Log into your preferred cloud storage platform. Upload the 1095 file you just downloaded. This ensures that your document is accessible from anywhere in case of device failure. Finally, remember to create a backup of your backup, possibly by storing a physical copy as well. With these steps completed, your 1095 forms are securely backed up and accessible whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.